G'day and welcome. Today I'm doing a crappy job. I'm replacing the tail light that I've now broken twice in the last month. And just to make things interesting, I can't find my 8mm spanner, so I'm having to use some multi-grips to get this bitch off. I keep breaking the bastard because they get you to park on a 45-degree angle at the boat ramp, and well, I like to put it as close to the fence as possible to make it harder for people to steal the trailer, and I keep hitting the fucking fence because I can't see where the back of the trailer is. Absolute pain in the arse. Well, this one's a bitch. Come on, off you come. Oh, what a pain in the arse. I have put double nuts on this, but didn't expect this hard. On you bitch, let's go. Holy crap me. There we go, finally. It's amazing these have only been on 2 weeks and they're already rusty as shit. Okay. For some reason I can't find my bloody wire strippers either. So anyway, cut that guy off there. Try and strip off some tape. The good thing about this bit is I've already wired it up with these exact lights. It's real cheap ones, obviously, if I keep breaking the fucking things. So I can just join those colours onto these and it'll be fine, instead of what I had to do last time, which is sit here with a multimeter and get somebody to put their foot on the brakes and all that kind of friggin' shit so I could figure out why I was what, because the colours were all different to what they should be. Right, let's strip these down a bit. This is not very good strippers. Yeehaw. Got you under my skin. Huh? No. It's not in my bag. Even the salt has gotten into these. They've turned all black. I can't find the wire strippers either. Alright. Let's do these ones. This is so much slower than using my other wire strippers, which I cannot find right this second. Bloody hell. These are terrible wire strippers. Oh, fuck yeah. This is taking fucking forever. Put the wires through the hole. If I can find it, put some hair around it. Oh, come on. Put them all in one friggin' time. One left. There we go. There we go. Well, it should fit the exact fucking tail light. There. Good. Done. The nuts on. Make sure they're done up not too tight, because otherwise it'll just snap the plastic. This is so annoying not having a spanner. I don't know where the hell that 8mm has gone. It's usually my 10mm that goes walkabouts. Oh, come on, fuck ya. What a pain in the ass. My kingdom for a spanner. So this is the lucky bit that I just have to join yellow to yellow, green to green, red to red, and she's going to all work because I did the hard work in last time. Green to green and black to black. And we're all done. We're just going to chuck some electrical tape over the outsides. Although I could have used some shrink wrap, but I didn't think of it. Right. You really need to cut your electrical tape, because if you don't, the ends of it just won't stick. And it'll just slowly unwrap. Would have been much better off using shrink wrap, but anyway, shit happens. I'm not going to pull them apart again to put bloody shrink wrap on them, that's for sure. Let's see if I can do this before the GoPro battery overheats and shuts down. 2, one more. Right, here we go, red. Bitch. Fucked it up. Righto. Beautiful. Look at that. Just gonna wrap this up like this. So the individual cables don't get caught on anything and ripped out. I'm gonna try and waterproof them a little bit more. That. There we go. We're gonna get this last bit done before the camera shits itself. Yay! There we have it. She's all done. Beautiful. Ta-da! We have a tail light. Yeah. In there, in there, in there, and our big leftover bit here. Just shove it through there. That'll do. It'll give me plenty to put the next tail light on when I break this one. Yeah, that's about it too. Alright, until next time, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow for another tail light. Bye.